today I come to you with my, oh my gosh, PDB, no, I'm sorry, with my Tonic Studios kit. I'm opening it up this month. Let's see. Came in this sleeve here, this plastic. Thought I normally have it already ready, but oh, my Tonic craft kit. Yes. Let's see. I think I was excited for this one. This one is the Christmas. Let's see. Oh, they got it. I don't want to rip it. I think I did that last time. All right. Oh my gosh. Yes, honey. All right, so I'm going to move it to the side and let's pull things out. All right, so it's got some examples. Oh, that's the, okay. All right, that is the contents thing. Okay, so first thing I see in here are some card blanks and envelopes. They got a brown craft color. So I'm assuming brown is the theme. You know it's going to be good quality paper, and it's got 10 cards and 10 envelopes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see. Then we got, ooh, some polka dot gingham ribbon. And it's red with white polka dots. Absolutely love this type of ribbon. It's very pretty. We have Shamrock Green Nouveau Hybrid ink. That green, that's that Christmas green. Yes. Very pretty. That green is pretty. We have, what is this? Is this embossing powder? Let's see. Then we got, looks like, yeah, we have a red embossing powder, and it's called Sugared Strawberries. Sugared Strawberries. Look at that cute little container. They giving you a try, so you'll order it. Ooh, yes. I can't remember if there's, I think they is 4 different containers, 4 different types. So you get 2 out of the 4. I'm trying to get it out of here. They got this stuff in here, in this bag. And I'm so glad I got this one. Oh, sorry guys, they got it in here. Trying to get it out. Okay, there we go. One is Christmas Magic, and it's glitter. Red glitter. And this one, look at this beautiful sequins. Looks like candy. And it's called Candy Cane Sequins. This is so pretty. I absolutely love this one. I was hoping I would get this. Oh, it's stuck to the top. I hate how that does that. I don't want to take it out. It'll be everywhere. So pretty. Then I got, ooh, I don't think I have this color. Awesome. I have, this is a vintage drop. I know I don't have this one because it's red, first of all. And this one is called Red Alert. And they're vintage drops. Yes. It's only one today, so I can definitely put it on top so it can be drying. Yes. I think I got one more spot over there too. Oh no, I don't. I have to take one of the sprays out. Look how pretty. So we're gonna let that dry. Ooh, paper pad called Santa's Workshop. Let's open this baby up. I like how they put that on there. So you can hang it up if you want. Open it up. I hope I ain't cut any paper. Alright. So you got 8 designs. 6 of each. Double-sided paper. So it's 24 sheets and they are double-sided. This one looks familiar from another collection I got. So that's one side. Here is the other. Then you have the snow. This was reminding me of one of my collections. I cannot remember. And then this, wait a minute. Yeah. I'm gonna say, wait a minute now. Polka dot. Then you got the stripe. The Christmas trees. And you got, it looks like snow with white dots, but they're not perfectly circular. And then you have this design. Too cute, too cute. All right, so this is Tonic Craft Kit 44. We'll look at that in a second. We're going to look at the papers first. Y'all know how they do. They put it in this envelope, and you don't get the entire packs. You get a sample. Well, you get one sheet. All right, so let's pull out the contents and let's see what the name of these papers are. All right, this looks like something I already got, so that's awesome. This is a holographic mirror card, Sequin green. I do have this collection already, this pack already, so that's awesome. Then you got, I think I got this one too, I'm loving it. Pearlescent card, pearl white. Love, love, love that pearl white. Let's see what this one is. We're gonna go to some classic card, Pine Tree Green. I don't think I have Pine Tree Green. Pine Tree Green. I'm trying to see what this is. This must be Christian. No. Wait a minute. I don't see the name of this one. Glitter card. This is the glitter card, Ruby Ritz. I think I have this one, Ruby Ritz. Love that glitter. Love that glitter because it does not. It's in there. This does not flake off. Then we have. I'm trying to. You can't really tell if this is it. Let's see, because I'm not for sure. Foiled craft card, candy stripe. Oh my gosh, the foil stripes in there is beautiful. I'm gonna have to get a pack of this. I love that. What is this one? This is beautiful. This is. I guess this one's called. It's a specialty card called Santa's Hat. I'm trying to see what the images are on the inside on the paper. You really can't tell. But there is a embossed, well, pressed in because it's not coming through to the back. So look at that design. I don't know if it's little hats or what. My eyes ain't doing good right now. Oh my gosh, I need this one. This one is called Specialty Paper Shining Spruce. Shining Spruce. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's kind of got on the tips of it red. So it looks like it's holographic kind of. Oh my gosh, and it's black on the other side. This is beautiful. I need some more of those. And then last but certainly not least, this beautiful, oh my gosh, specialty card called Ice Rink. Ice Rink. Look at that impression on there. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it's all the way through on this side, but this side is beautiful. Look at the shine. Wow. These are some beautiful papers. I am definitely getting some of these. I love how they give you one to craft with, but then you'll have to order if you want them. Alright, so let's get into this beautiful die and stamp set. Let's see. Make sure I got the name of it. Because y'all know on this little itinerary, you got to find it. Beautiful. Let's see what this is. Gave me too. They're advertising about the craft kit. And then they're having a summer sale through, starts June 1st. So y'all check them out. I have my card. Their sticker. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing I see is this super cute stamp set. Look at this. I love the font. Happy Wishes, Merry. Look at the little dots here. Got a heart, star, a different shape star, Christmas tree, a hollowed out star. This one's a hollow out star for that. This one's the hollow out heart. So I guess the background and the detailed. And then there's a snowflake. And I don't see a overlay for the snowflake. But it says, have yourself a. That's so pretty. Love, joyful, wishing you a merry little peace, hope. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is the Fancy Festive Sentiment Stamp Set. That's what this is called. Wow. Beautiful. Ooh, yes, yes. I'll make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay. I love these little folders here. All right, so these are the shadows for these word dots, guys. Oh my gosh. So this one says holiday, so they're on top of each other. I love the chevron on here. This one says Christmas, Yuletide. I love the different font. This one has a star inside, and this has the waves. Then this says peace, love, and hope, and they're different designs on the inside. This is called the Fancy Festive Sentiment Die Set. OMG. Then it comes with a embossing plate with this design, embossing plate with that design. Got a long dash die, a flag die with stitching around it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Then of course, this is the shadows for behind each word. There's the shadow. You'll, love, hope, peace, Christmas, and holidays and Christmas. Oh my gosh. Then you got another little page flag here. Here's another flag. They have another stitching here, and these are dots. And then you have a tag die. Yes, with stitching around. Now this is cool. I absolutely love this. This gets you ready for Christmas, your Christmas tags. This is amazing. I'm absolutely loving this one now. Ooh, I'm so happy, guys. This is so cute. Love, love, love. I will be making some of these because I need to get started on my Christmas tags and to make as gifts and stuff like that. So, oh my gosh. Tonic Craft Kit number 44. You blew it out the water again, Tonic. Y'all know I love my Tonic, honey. And I'm loving the papers that y'all created this time. And I will definitely be buying more. This paper is amazing. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. I absolutely love that they included some card and envelopes in this kit. This is awesome. So y'all let me know what you think about this kit number 44. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.